Welcome to the Himalayan pink salt manufacturing facility of Zawalt Store. This is where every salt lamp, every tile, and every crafted piece begins its life, straight from raw, unprocessed crystals. Here you can see the first stage of production. Large salt boulders, freshly cut from solid blocks, are sorted and prepared for shaping. Every piece is inspected for clarity, structure, and natural color before it moves to the machine line. As the process continues, the blocks are brought to the cutting section. Using industrial-grade machinery, our craftsmen shape each crystal with steady hands and precise control. The spinning blade you see is engineered specifically for Himalayan salt, powerful enough to cut, yet gentle enough to protect the stone's natural structure. With each pass of the cutter, thin layers of salt peel away, revealing the deep orange and pink tones hidden inside the rock for millions of years. The fine particles that scatter across the table are a natural part of the shaping process, showing just how pure and mineral-rich these crystals truly are. Further into the workshop, the stones undergo detailed trimming. You'll notice the worker carefully rotating the block. This ensures even shaping from all sides and prevents cracks. Every movement is calculated, every angle precisely measured. The machine continues to refine the surface, slowly turning rough stones into smooth, symmetrical forms. These shaped blocks will later become lamps, geometric decor pieces, foot detox slabs, and numerous other salt products crafted under the Zawalt Store brand. Even the fallen fragments and dust collected around the cutter are valuable. Nothing goes to waste here. These remnants are used to create bath salts, cooking granules, and wellness-grade salt mixtures. From raw crystal to a perfectly shaped piece, every stage you're watching reflects the dedication and craftsmanship behind Zawalt Store. This is the unseen work, the hands, the tools, and the precision that bring authentic Himalayan pink salt products from Pakistan to customers all around the world.